Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the 15 days of building a community series where I'm going to be posting every single day for 15 days straight. I'm going to be taking you through a day in my life, what's involved in the community, how I've built the community, what I've done in terms of social media, and just what I do on a daily basis as well. A little bit more about me. I am the owner of Atlas MKT, which is a marketing agency based out of Manchester, but we also have offices in Perth and Melbourne as well. So we're a worldwide agency. We've got clients all over the world, work with clients like Johnson & Johnson, Pre-London, From the Offset, Meet, and that's just to name a few as well. If you do know those kind of companies, we've worked with them. So a little bit more about me as well. I started my marketing agency when I was around 16, 17. I've been doing it for around 5 years now. I'm currently 21, so big boy now, and I'm a massive cricketer. Loves cricket, love exercise, love all that kind of stuff. Passionate into kind of self-development and making myself a better human and as best as human as I possibly can be as well. So there's that going to be that side of it inside the community, and a little bit more about the Global Entrepreneurs Hub. The main thing with the Global Entrepreneurs Hub is coming up in my business journey, I had virtually no one to talk to about the problems that I was facing, no one to help with the problems I was facing. Obviously, I can help with a lot of different businesses because owning a marketing agency, I can help with service-based businesses, but I've also worked with e-commerce businesses, B2B businesses, lead agency businesses as well. So I've got a lot of knowledge to provide to people, and that's basically the aim here, is to provide as much knowledge and as much information to you guys as physically possible. So if you are excited for the journey and you are along for the ride as well, a big welcome. What you can do is go ahead in the bio or the description of this video. You'll be able to have, there's a school link in there to the Global Entrepreneurs Hub. So you can go ahead and join there. It's currently waitlisted at the moment. So just join and I'll waitlist you and then accept you on the 1st of August. The 1st of August is when we will be launching the community to the public, completely live, then it will be. Just a few quick things with the community, like kind of what I've planned. So meetups, I really want to kind of get in-person meetups. Obviously, there'll be people from all over the world. It's the Global Entrepreneurs Hub. So we're going to try and set up meetups as often as possible in as many different countries as possible. So we've just got, again, that community sense and that community feeling as well. So look out for those. And there's going to be monthly giveaways, monthly coaching sessions as well, like with myself, where you're going to have, instead of the group coaching that we're going to be doing, you're going to be able to have one-to-one coaching with myself and also members of my team as well. We're going to be doing group coaching, as I mentioned, with members of my team, specifically organic social media, growing a personal brand, how you do that. Obviously, I'm quite small on YouTube at the moment, but I do intend to post much more content over here on YouTube, as I do love these longer form videos. I love being able to document my day. I love being able to document what I'm doing here. So yeah, you're going to see a lot more of those as well. A big thing for me with this is inspiring the next generation of entrepreneurs to come through. As I mentioned before, it was very lonely when I set up. So even if I can just impact one person by being that person to help, then I'll be happy with this community. And another thing I want to do is start connections, start friendships with other people as well. So that's going to be a massive part of the community as well. So if you have, again, I'm going to give you that opening to join the waitlist here, join the waitlist on the school community, link in the bio. And make sure to like, subscribe, share this with your friends. If you have friends that are interested in entrepreneurship, make sure to share this along with them. And I will see you tomorrow, where we will be going over a day in my life.